Executives make decisions that affect their organisations, so understanding their motives for decisions is critical to understanding the way that they make choices and the ways that that's going to affect their organisational risk profile. Understanding personality also gives managers an opportunity to understand the decisions of the people around them. And what this course will give you is knowledge and tools to deal with a broad range of risks. During the course, we will walk through each of the personality characteristics of the participants, and we will think about their meaning for the way that they understand risks and the way that they interact with people. People come from different places around the world, different positions in organisations, different experiences, and they work together collaboratively to deepen their understanding. By looking at personality and understanding how it functions, we can think about the ways that we can influence behaviour. Wherever they come from, whenever they arise, you will be ready with this knowledge to help you to handle those risks and to lead on the organisation of those risks more effectively.